Hi, in this video I will show you how to see Zoom Cloud's recording. Do you want to see your past Zoom meetings? Here, how to see them in just a few steps. Alright, so as the source told or said, when you record a Zoom meeting to the cloud, Zoom server store the recording online instead of directly on your computer if you are in the US. They will be in your account on zoom.us. However, the easiest way to find a Zoom Cloud recording is to check your email. Once a recording has finished uploading, Zoom will send you an email with a direct link to the recording. Okay, how to find your recording on your online account? As they told us, here is how you can go straight to your Zoom Cloud to see a list of all of your recordings. So, let's get into it. But okay, I forgot. If you are not pros or cons, you can't get to cloud recordings. So how I get into this page? First, you will have the page just like that. Okay, you will go into meeting. You will click on meetings, not meetings, recordings. Yeah, recordings, and this page will appear to you. And for pros and cons, cloud recordings will be able for them to be seen. Anyways, that's it, and that's the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and see you in the next video.